The 2015 Chevy Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States, and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, power passenger seat, remote engine start, stability control, power liftgate, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, lane departure warning, tow hitch. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.